Academy.
This is Christian from Fence Armor, and we got these sweaters on. You're probably wondering why. It says choice. What's going on with
So we're at
these?
Mr. Fence Academy Retreat 2025 in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Choice. Make the right choices. We're preaching the 3 C's this weekend. There's 3 days. We have choice, chance, change. If you make the right choices, it just sets yourself up potentially to get the chance to make the change that you want. So we're teaching. We want you to start thinking, if I continuously make a positive choice, doesn't guarantee the result I want, but it could lead to the right change that I'm looking for. However, the alternative of that is, if I make a negative choice, I can guarantee you will not get the change that you want, okay? So make the right choices for the opportunity to change, to get the chance to make the change.
And guys, to be fair, this event is more than you could ever. And I say that, and,
It's hard to describe.
And he's laughing because you truly can't pinpoint what happens at the event. It has to be fencing, but it doesn't.
It's almost like boxing, right? From the challenge exercise, what do you think about that? Cool. With all 65 people that are lined up.
And having no choice but to trust, and that's quite literally.
So nobody knows anybody at this point. I come in like, all right, I got this idea. Everybody get a big circle and hold a mousetrap in your hand. Set it. Look at your neighbor next to you.
Yeah.
Dude, what? Like, that's just to break the icebreaker. Yeah. Prove the point that if you trust this process, if you go all in with us for this weekend, these 3 long days, the return is unimaginable, right? But if you don't go all in, you won't get the same output, right? You won't. It won't be the same. It won't hit the same. And today, we took everybody, after all day being in the classroom, hearing great speakers, some great content was dropped, business content, mixed in with a lot of emotional growth type content, right? And after a full day of that, we got everybody up and we went on a hike. And we hiked where? Where'd we go?
We went to a cemetery, out of all places.
90 people, half a mile away to a cemetery, and had a conversation. We're gonna drop so much content to help these guys out that they're gonna need to bring a U-Haul truck to take all the nuggets home.
Those of you who happen to be up north this time of year, we will be holding the only in-person Expert Stain University. It's free near Niagara Falls, so you can always drop in and see the falls and come and see us. That's next week on the 27th. Whether you're a contractor or even a homeowner, you'll be learning a lot about what it is to stain a fence or a deck. You don't have to be literally a contractor. You can be a homeowner who really wants to learn about staining. So come and see us. We have Michael Taylor, also known as BAM, who will be here from Expert, and we've got Justen Meneses. We look forward to seeing him. Some local stain guys, Darren, Pollon will be up here from 1PF. Adrian will be here from Deck Refresh, so we look forward to seeing him too. Thank you for joining us on the Fence Armor channel and learn a little bit more about outdoor care for your home.